Welcome back. Here's a question for you because I've been experimenting this year with. I really hope you can hear this well. I can't talk very loudly because it's a bit late, you know. Still didn't get to live in a house, still in an apartment building. I really hope I can get rid of this soon. I want to yell at 3 a.m. if I want to. Anyway, I've been playing with these ozone generators. Actually, I have two types here. There's one in the box, actually. I need to turn it off. It's been running for a while now. This one is... oh, definitely smells. The one with a 555 oscillator, and you can see I have the mask here, my card, stuff that I use outside. This is the oscillator type with transformer, and this is just connected to mains with a Cockcroft-Walton voltage multiplier. It's that how do you call it? That capacitor and diode ladder thingy, you know, that consists of cells. You can put as many cells as you want to, depending on how much you want to increase the voltage. It works. I mean, hell, I can even show you. It's a bit sketchy with one hand, but I'll be fine. But the thing with ozone generators, this one's really cool though, because if you short it out, it doesn't do anything, so there's no harm done if you short it out. You just discharge the capacitors and that's it. There's no current surge, there's no heating. That was loud because it charges in a certain amount of time, and the longer it sits without sparking, the stronger the spark will be. Anyway, I digress. I tend to go 10,000 ways in the video. The way the ozone generator works is by having a corona discharge in here. And I don't know if you can see this, but there's no corona discharge. And I've been playing around, you know, one of the official methods is with conductive nets separated by glass. Unfortunately, I don't have glass, so I'm trying different insulators. This is actually curing some super glue now. I'll try and do that. My question is, what exactly is the best way to obtain corona discharges? I have a hard time finding this on Google. Actually, there's no information. Everything you find is about suppressing corona discharges, which is a fairly important thing in the electronics design, but there are, you know, quite a few applications where you do want them to. That scared me. The way I did it with this one in the box, I just left the wires hanging freely, one next to the other, copper conductive wires, like the wire on the right side, you know, just one of those strands, but they're both like that, and that worked. It makes a corona discharge every time I plug it in. However, I'm not sure I can recreate that, or if it only works with the oscillator stuff, or I don't know what's the deal. And high voltage really isn't something that I've been working with for too long, and there are many things I don't understand about it. One thing I do understand is that it's dangerous and it hurts like hell. If you don't discharge this thing, like so, it can give you quite a shock. Anyway, how do I get stable, continuous, reliable corona discharges? What kind of electrodes, what kind of setup, what kind of sizes? I don't find any information about this. If you guys can help, I'm more than thankful for it. And the battery is dying, so that's what I'm asking. I'm gonna try the wires too, and I just didn't feel like soldering. I was kind of lazy these days. I could just mount two wires there and see if that works. But something tells me it doesn't work with the voltage multiplier, and it only works with the high frequency oscillator. Is it something to do with the high frequency that I have in the oscillator? Because I know there's something about the high frequencies and high voltage. There's some reason why they are used instead of the mains 50 Hertz. Anyway, thank you in advance for any answers, and I'll catch you next time.